Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Big thanks to Phone City Samsung Experience Store at Anna Nagar, Chennai for making this video possible. The folks from Samsung Experience Store gave me 30 minutes to shoot and experience the all-new Galaxy S10 Plus. I am shooting the video indoors, so please bear with the quality of the video. In this video, let's take a quick look on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and talk about the top 5 features of the phone. The headline feature of Galaxy S10 series is the all-new Infinity O display. The 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display is gorgeous to look at. The colors are sharp, vibrant. The display can get crazy bright at 1200 nits. I feel you'll get used to the cutout for the camera in a day or two. It's less obtrusive in day-to-day use, but it's noticeable when watching videos on full screen or browsing the web. With the Galaxy S10 and S10e, I feel you won't even notice the cutout for camera. The first thing you will notice when you pick the Galaxy S10 Plus is how light the phone feels despite its large form factor. Samsung has introduced all new glass finish at the back, which looks really good and has tapered edges for comfortable in-hand feel. Hands down, it's the best looking Galaxy smartphone till date. Samsung has packed tons of camera and features in the Galaxy S10 series. The S10 Plus boasts 3 cameras at the back and 2 cameras at the front. The main camera is a 12MP dual aperture sensor with optical image stabilization. The secondary camera is a 12MP telephoto lens which also has OIS support. And Samsung has also thrown in an ultra-wide 16MP sensor which opens up to f.2.2 and has a 123-degree field of view. To me, that's a winning package. I shot a few camera shots and samples around the store and it looked amazing. The camera packs tons of AI features, scene detection and has support for HDR video capture. At front, S10 Plus has 2 selfie cameras, a 10MP primary camera which can record 4K video and a 8MP depth sensor for portrait shots. So what you are seeing now are the camera samples that was shot using Galaxy S10 Plus. Samsung S10 Plus is powered by Exynos 9820 octa-core processor with 8 or 12GB of RAM. In my limited time with the device, the phone was blazing fast and with One UI everything felt battery smooth. Samsung has thrown in a lot of effort to optimize the UI and reduce the bloatware. Samsung also offers a 1TB storage option with the S10 Plus, which can be expanded via microSD card slot. That's just insane amount of storage for a smartphone. The fingerprint sensor is underneath the display and uses ultrasonic technology for detecting your fingers. It even works when the display is off. As I was using a preview unit, I cannot test it, but the tech community is quite positive with the in-display fingerprint scanner. Samsung started to take battery life more seriously with Galaxy S9 series and they have increased the battery capacity on all 3 Galaxy S10 smartphones. With S10 Plus, we are looking at 4100 mAh battery unit, which should easily last you for more than a day. To top it off, Samsung have added wireless power share feature, meaning you can use your Galaxy S10 smartphone as a charging pad for smartphones with Q charging wireless support. So there you have it guys, my first impressions and hands-on with Galaxy S10 Plus. If you guys ask me to choose a model for you, I would say go with S10e. The main difference between the models is the display size, materials used and camera. Rest of the specifications are standard across the models. I feel S10e has all the essential features like the ultra-wide camera, Exynos 9820, wireless power share. It just lacks the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, but for the price it offers great value. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy S10, please use the link in the description. It does help the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please do show us some love by smashing the like button and subscribe to Smartphone World for all tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.